The keto diet is a popular weight loss plan that involves following a strict dietary regimen of high-fat, low-carbohydrate foods. Many people who follow the keto diet believe that it is the only way to achieve long-term weight loss success. However, there is a big distinction between success and failure on the keto diet. Success on the keto diet means reaching and maintaining a healthy weight while limiting your carb intake. Failure on the keto diet means exceeding your carb limit and converting to an unhealthy lifestyle of overeating and excessive weight gain. So what's the best way to get success on the keto diet? You need a rock-solid plan that you can stick to and follow. The 28-day keto challenge is extremely well-crafted to allow you to get through that all-important first month. Nothing is left to chance, and you are guided every step of the way. In addition to being a plan, it's also a great challenge to encourage you to stick with it and reach your goals. The plan covers 10 areas of the diet, including the keto diet basics, how to eat well on keto, and how to get into ketosis quickly and how to stay there. It also offers advice on social situations and sticking to your diet, guilt-free desserts, and a supplements guide. Do you have what it takes to complete the 28-day keto challenge? Check out the link in the description below and let us know your success story in 1 month's time.